Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Indeed app not working properly. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and not to make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, there's a few different options you can use to fix your app, Indeed app, to work again. So the first method is to click and hold down the Indeed app for more settings to appear, and then click on the little I button, top right hand corner of the page here. And then from here, scroll down, and where it says storage, go ahead and click on clear cache, bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then head back, and then click on force stop, and then click on OK. And now go back and see if that fixed the problem for Indeed. The second option will be to delete Indeed app itself and then go and re-download it in your Play or App Store, and that should fix the problem. Also, what you can do is to restart your phone and then try and log into Indeed and see if that fixes a problem too. So there's about 3 different options you can use to fix your Indeed apps. Also, there's one more option you can do that I just remembered, is to head over to your Play Store and make sure your Indeed app is up to date using the latest version, and you're using the latest version. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you thought it was helpful.